Hey, John Ross in here. How you guys doing today? How's my royal family? Anyhow, today I was gonna teach you guys how to make $200 to $300 per day on YouTube, even if you don't have like video skills or recording skills, even if you do not want to be in camera yourself. So let's jump ahead. Now, first thing first, a lot of people think that you cannot reuse videos on YouTube. That is not true. There is something called Creative Commons, and what Creative Commons is whenever somebody posts something online, you're allowed yourself to reuse it, meaning like it's like those no copyright things that people post that all the artists can reuse. Now, the way that you're gonna be doing this, even if you don't want to be in front of camera, even if you do not have like a lot of computer skill, whatever, all you need to do is literally get like a super cheap video editor. You can go online and look for cheap video editors, or I recommend get like one that's decent, but like any video editor can do. And what you're doing is like literally copy and paste or make a list of whatever that you want or you like to do. And if you do it right, you make one of those like top 5 or top 10 videos, and then it goes viral. You yourself can earn up to $100 to $300 per day, or even more, even $10,000 to $100,000. And yes, it is possible. I'm gonna put a video right here. I don't know where it will be, and I'll explain this to you what Creative Commons is in just a few minutes, so you can have an understanding what I mean by that. So first and first, what is Creative Commons? So as you're looking at my screen right here, like when I go into filter, and then I click on Creative Commons right here, like you can see this video, all of these videos here, you're able to you're able to reuse them again. Literally all you have to do is go up here, find Creative Commons, and you can just literally go online. And YouTube, I believe now, I don't have it here, but I'm certain there's some videos that you can download. If not, you can just go ahead and find other that's a nice car, and find some other videos that you yourself can, or you can find stuff online that you can go ahead and download these videos. And all you're going to be going to do is make your own list of certain videos like that, and then make it your own with a different thumbnail, with a different logo and everything. And again, since this is Creative Commons, I have no problem showing this to you through my video as an example, and my YouTube won't get flagged, nor will it be this is how you know English is not my first, or it won't be demonetized. That's what I was trying to say. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm getting better and better at my English. Okay, so really what you need to do is you need to understand you don't really need to be in front of video like this to make money on YouTube, nor do you have to be very highly skillful. All you need to do is just like to know how to create content and get content yourself. And the only way you can do this is to find like topics that you can recreate with something called Creative Commons, and then you can utilize these content in order to create your own. Alright, so first things first, I want to show you guys what cost per mil means. It means that every 1,000 views that you get, you make it means every 1,000 views you get paid about $3. I don't know why it says 4 here, but I know when I read it through their thing, it was $4. So that means, here's an example. So now that you know what creative content is, and you know how much a YouTuber is averaging on YouTube, another things the I see people like is the conspiracy theories. So I type conspiracy theory, and as you can see, these are very popular. So this person has made 43 million views, 19 million views, 8 million views. So now you're telling me, yo, so John, now I you tell me people that are making these millions of views, how do they actually make money? So as you can see, I'm pull up my calculator real quick, just doing some math real quick. Get out. So 43 million views. So if 1,000 views is an average of $3 to $4, let's just say $3 only. 43 million times $3,000. This person just for this one video has made $129,000. This person right here with 16 million times, again, it's 1,000 per view, $3,000 for CPM is 1 milli. So here you go, 3,000. This person had made 4,800. I'm so sorry, like 48,000. It's funny, mil, we use mil in French, which is 1,000, mille. So it confuses me when I have to say 4,800 and 48,000 because I keep thinking in French sometimes. But you get what I'm trying to say here. So every 1,000 views that you get, and you may think 1,000 views is a lot. No, it's not. Like, so whenever you're making videos and stuff like that, like I'm averaging like $2,000 to $3,000 per whatever on videos. But like me, I'm an affiliate marketer. I don't really rely on on YouTube views because there's a way that I do it. However, though, I do average a little bit percentage. It's another thing that I'm gonna show you guys here real quick. So we're all right. So now that you guys have an idea of what is it that I do, well, so now that you have an idea of the first method of how to do this, I'm gonna show you a second method. For those who know me or know me for a minute, or my friends, I DJ. I do a lot of music production, but I'm gonna show you from a music perspective how other people can be doing the same exact thing on YouTube and make money. Was it Suicide Sheep? This is one of my favorite things to listen to. This station, for music when I'm working on something, because it's pretty like chill music. But here's an example. I'm pretty sure if I click on any of these videos, somewhere somehow they're gonna have what's called an affiliate link, like right here, down here. Let's see. Yep. All this here. All this is our affiliate link. They have their own store right here, but you're not just gonna come in here and then just start to make like music, or you can just take any music and start building your thing. There's copyright laws, there's restriction, but one thing I can tell you, all these DJs that are making money, even me myself, I have a music channel. All these DJs, what they do, they build a shop, and then from this shop they get music they can legally upload, or DJ said that they can legally upload without music or being copyright stricken. And over time they built this one, like, just look at this. For example, this one video has 46,000. I'm gonna bring the calculator out real quick. There's always a 10% conversion, so this person has 46,000. I want to say 4,600. This mail thing, and French would be like 4,651, whatever. So it's kind of different for me. So, but I am used to the 46,000. Right, moving on. So let's say 10% of this, right? Like let's say only 10% of this gets converted out of the 46,000, so that will be 400 people. 400 people. That is just lowballing. As a matter of fact, I'll just do 1%, 40 people, and just say this person is not really well with people. That is just what 40% of people. I mean 1% of people, which is 40 out of 4600. It's just 46 to be specific. They come in here. Trust me, I've seen it. I know the numbers because I myself do it. When people come here, right, and then they're looking through this, and it's like, ooh, like they got a store. Let me see. This is just for example, so I hope you understand this. Literally 46 people buy one shirt. Well, 46 people buy, what is this, 50? This person just made $2,300. Why is $2,300? So $2,300. See, you guys can say in America, people can have this thing where they use like two different things to say numbers, and we have one, but it's still cool, man. I like to say 2,300, or you can say 2,300. And see what you see just pop back here, something that every marketer is familiar with. This is called a email address, well, a landing page or a capture lead page, and from there this person can continuously send message or shop things from the shop or new music they upload, which bring them pretty much unlimited free traffic. I have this in my store. I don't have a store like a clothing store, but I do have like a music page. Soon enough I'll blow that one up too, but I mainly focus on music writing when on my free time. But you get it, what I'm trying to say. There's two ways to go about this. You can either go the route where you get the mail, whatever, where you get paid per your views, or you can also become a marketer, just like I do, in order to build a platform like this. Know how to build it. Like I said, you're not gonna go out there and then just gonna like this just because they let me use this for an example, and I like their music. I'm not gonna play the music right now, even though I'm sure it's okay, but I think they probably have like some like release thing with their record label. That's why I said there's a way to go about this. You cannot just go and then just start making it. So these are pretty much the way that you can make hundreds of $1,000s online with these two methods. So yeah, there you have it, guys. You see how what I just did there? Like, I was even in camera in order to explain to you guys these things, but there's a little bit more under layer of things that you need to know, like copyrights, email sequence, landing pages. It's pretty easy. Like, literally, guys, it's pretty easy to make $1,000 online. If you can get 10 people to pay you $100, that's $1,000 right there. But you also have to know how to build these things in order to make it. Why am I sharing this? Because I myself is a marketer, and well, I'm a musician and stuff like that, but I realize, like, if I know how to market and I can teach people how to market, I will become a way better marketer. Plus it's set up the stepping stone of things that I need to do. Like, on my free time, all I do is write music. Like, I got free times to do that, and I literally have like about 176 songs written. And like when it's my time to, when I make this busy, like, all like automated, and well, it's automated, but like once I get it like whatchamacallit, like a cash flow business, I can just focus in one. So what I do is one business at a time. I'm not trying to overstress myself, but you can see the whatchamacallit, you can see exactly what I mean. Like, if you do things in a proper way, in a certain way, and you know what you're doing, you'll be able to do exactly what I do. So I'll be leaving in the description the what I do, the courses and stuff like that. I'll put like a free course for you guys so you can guys check it out. And if you do like what you see, and I would love for you to either like, subscribe, and please you guys leave questions. I don't know why you guys don't leave questions. Well, one thing is I have an email list, so I send them to these people, so it's like on my website, but let's not go there. It's a little bit more advanced on that, but that's where I send out my views, either through my email or on my website. But I don't know, the newcomers here on YouTube, you guys never ask me questions. Those people reach out to me personally and ask me questions. But yeah, guys, excuse me, there you have it, how you can make 100, 300. Like, if you can literally put one video out, once the more you make videos, the more YouTube likes you. Like, literally, like, we'll put a video one day and you make like $100, $200. Is it possible? Yeah. And those are the two methods you can use. Either you go through views, or you build your own marketing channel. It's been your boy John Rostand. I'm out. Catch you on the next one. Peace.